So in this video, I'll show you how to get your Tesla running somewhat. So it depends what's going on with your car from an accident. So if you get one from an auction, if the airbag's deployed, the car is most likely is going to do the post-crash load shed, meaning it's going to drain the battery in the front, the little 16-volt battery. It's going to kill it. There's rebuild services. What they do is usually just charge it. Some people say they clear data out of it, but so far it looks like everybody's just lying about it, so they just basically recharge it. That's what it looks like. I did have an issue with the battery. I just replaced it, and I did a video before this explaining what made me replace the battery, what it was not passing to make me buy a new battery for the 16-volt battery, since the car did drain it from a car accident. And usually once you get one of these Teslas from a Copart or IEA, like insurance wrecked cars with the deployed airbags, the screen is going to be super dark. And what you have to start with is clear post-crash data. And to do this screen, you're not going to be able to access this screen without Tesla Toolbox. So I have it connected right here to the Tesla Toolbox, Ethernet cable, jumping it under the dashboard right there. So once you get the Toolbox software, it's about 150 for 30 days, 75 for 1 day for unlimited VIN numbers, seems like. So far I didn't have any issues with the VIN lock. Once you install it, open it, basically we're gonna go to actions. We're gonna type in post, and it's gonna be this one right here. And you just run it. My car is already done, everything's working, but usually the signs are airbags are deployed and the screen is super dark, you can't pick up the brightness, and the car will not drive. So you basically do this, and the screen's gonna be bright again, and then it goes down to your 16-volt battery. If your battery is charged or not, it's going to be drained. You're always going to have to replace it, rebuild it. It's usually the choices on that. And rebuilding is usually depends on your area, who does it, what, but about $100. I've seen people do it on eBay. New battery, apparently it's like $350 from a dealer, possibly. So just keep that in mind. But this is it. If this video helped you, definitely leave a like and subscribe. We're located in West Sacramento. If you have issues with your car, you could always bring it by and we could take a look at it. Alright, thanks for your support.